Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist John Dissauer. Thanks for checking out my blog, New at Dissauer. I'm talking a little quieter today because we've got the blood drive going on back behind us on the other end of the TV studio. You might be able to see some of the lights back there and some people walking around. As we've got some people from the station that are donating blood currently. Let's talk a little weather. Today we've got clouds over our northern, let's call it the northern half of the area. Lots of sunshine though, from Cape Girardeau down towards Poplar Bluff and Kennett. But we do have more clouds over towards Marion, Illinois, up towards Mount Vernon and Farmington. And temperatures aren't really responding too well with the cloud cover. It's a chilly, cold day outside today. We're tapping into winds from the northwest. I've drawn on these arrows so you can get an idea where our temperature, or where the cold air is coming from, just from the winds at the surface of the earth, as they're out of the northwest. It's 12 currently as of noon in Columbia. It's 7 degrees right now in Springfield, and around here we've got temperatures as of, I'm taping this about 12:40 on Wednesday the 11th. No, I'm sorry, Wednesday the 12th. And you can see that we've got cold temperatures back to our northwest. It's 11 right now in Rolla, 18 in Farmington, 19 in Marion, and 16 in Mount Vernon. So generally where we have a bigger snowpack and where the clouds are around, it is much colder. Winds are gusting upwards of 20 miles per hour today in a few locations, but it's not horribly windy out there as it has been yesterday afternoon when we had gusts over 30. Wind chills, when you factor the air temperature and the wind together, we've got temperature, or the wind chill I should say, down into the single digits, where it's 4 right now in Mount Vernon, 7 in Marion, and 15 in Poplar Bluff. As far as winds the rest of the afternoon, this is off the RPM model indicating what winds will be like in miles per hour. These are sustained winds, not gusts. Here we are at 1 o'clock with 10 to 14. At times maybe getting a little windier in Mount Vernon, but generally winds will be out of the northwest at around 5 to maybe 12 miles per hour, and then by tonight we should start to see them subside just a little bit. We can also use the forecast model to give us an idea what the wind chill forecast will be like hour by hour. Here we are at 3 o'clock in the afternoon with wind chills in the single digits to the middle teens. We'll take it through the night. Obviously temperatures will be dropping down, and wind chills will be dropping down below zero up around Farmington by 10 o'clock. And everybody in the single digits by 10 o'clock. Excuse me. And then overnight into early tomorrow morning, wind chills will be down around zero, if not below that, by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So you'll want to bundle the kids up if they're going to school tomorrow. European model showing that we're continuing to stay cold for the next several days. We gradually warm up, maybe up above freezing 34 I'm forecasting by Friday, then lower 40s by Saturday before our next system slides through here Sunday, and then another chance by Tuesday. In fact, you can just tell by the upper level winds at 500 millibars there's an area of low pressure developing on the European model right here. Now that being said, I should mention that the GFS model is not indicating this, just the European. So I like to ride the European, and I think in wintertime it does better, so that's why I'm kind of showing you the European right now, and I'll show you what that means for us right now. Here we go, Friday at 6 p.m. We've got high pressure down. My little telestrator here. Here's high pressure right there. It's a horrible looking H, but there's a high pressure. You've got a front developing up here to our northwest. Let me take it out here through time. The front tries to pass through here Saturday. That's why we'll see a little bump up in temperature Saturday afternoon to 41. Calling for 36 for our high on Sunday comes probably early in the morning, and then temperatures falling off to around 32 by afternoon as that front passes the area. Moisture to our south, one run of the Europeans got the moisture over us, so I'm keeping a chance for rain or snow in for Sunday. From Sunday on, the models really diverge. The GFS tries to warm us up into the 40s. The European keeps us colder with high pressure moving in behind that front, and I'm going with the European. Here we are Monday at 3 p.m. What I want you to do is watch up into this general area as I move this forward. You'll see a little system develop, and here comes some moisture right over the top of us. This would be all snow for us, and looking at the Europeans' liquid amounts it's producing, it would be a 2 to 3 inch snow for the area. Again, that's if this were to happen. The GFS has got nothing like this at all. This is just a tiny little wrinkle, and we're talking several hours out on the time frame of 168 hours away. So something this small at 168 hours is very small, like a human hair small. So a lot can change between now and Tuesday, but we'll keep an eye on it. Right now, the thing for Sunday we were talking about yesterday and a couple days ago, Still a chance for some rain or snow. Kind of iffy though. It's not looking as big of a deal as what it did yesterday. But again, the models could change again as we've got several days to go. That's, what, 144 hours away. So a lot can change between now and then. By the way, I did not mention low temperatures tonight. We'll be down into the single digits. I'm going 6 for Farmington, 8 for Cape Girardeau, 9 for Poplar Bluff, 5 for Mount Vernon, and 10 for Marion. 11 in Paducah, 12 in make that 12 in Murray, and then 12 degrees across northwestern Tennessee. So it's going to be cold tonight and cold tomorrow. Highs tomorrow afternoon will only be in the middle 20s. Some of you, again, that are only in the teens today may get into the upper teens to near 20, so it's going to be chilly. Thanks for checking out the blog again, and thank you for the support and all the nice comments I've received from people in the emails as well. And I'm off Thursday, Friday, so if I do any updates in the blog, it'll be in text format. And then I'm actually off work all next week, getting some days back from extra days I worked last year. So I'll be trying to update the blog, but I can't guarantee I'll be doing that every day. So hope you have a great afternoon, and if I don't talk to you before the weekend, have a great weekend.